Yeah, I think the difference appears to me to be that they the US market seems to be a little bit more tech savvy, and there's a lot in terms of processes that they'll adopt quite quickly, and there's a lot in terms of developing, taking the online approach rather than developing, or rather than taking a more sort of bricks and mortar approach to the business. So the online is like, I can be anywhere. I have all of these online tools. I'm going to use those to my advantage, to be able to grow a business. Whereas the more bricks and mortar approach is, well, I need to start in this local area. I need to go out and start talking to people. Distribute flyers, that kind of thing. So there is, in my opinion, there is quite a difference in the approach. But yeah, so the majority of people that I've spoken with in the US, they've set up remote cleaning business. It's, either their second or third side hustle, and they go from zero to I don't know, $15,000 a month pretty quickly. And I don't see the same trend or the same pattern over here in the UK.